Assalamu alaikum everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Halima, and if you have been out already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a simple bridal look in a very simple way. So let's get started to the video. The palette which I'm gonna use today is by Huda Beauty, and the brush I'll be using is by Beautify by Amna. It's a small pencil brush, and the first color I'm going in with the shade Black Truffle, and I'm gonna place it right in the outer V, and I'll keep on blending until I get the satisfied results. And the next color I'm going in with the shade Bossy, and I'll place it right above the black color, and I'm gonna blend it all over in my crease. I'm going in from the inner corner to the outer corner just to make everything blend very nice. Now I'll cut the crease, and for this I'm taking the concealer by Miss Rose in the shade Ivory 6. Then I'm gonna take this fling shade. It's a very nice rose pink color, and I'm gonna use my finger for the application of this color, and I'll apply it right in the crease area. The eyeliner which I'm using is by Miss Rose. For waterline, I'm gonna take this black Kajal from Lakme Closal, and I'm gonna smudge it out with the brown color just to create a smoky effect. Now I'm gonna create a wing in the tear duct area just to create a dramatic look. Now I have applied some false lashes off camera, and I'll highlight the pro bone with the golden shade. And here is the final look. I hope you have learned something and you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.